In this tutorial, we're going to review some of the different content types you can add to your main region of your website, as well as your sidebar region to your website. So if we go into edit our page, most of you are probably already familiar with the adding the title. So this will default to an H2 heading on your web page. Next, we have a text area, which is also most commonly used for adding headings. And text. All right. After that, dynamic text area. This is an area that we've set up most of our contact information. So if you want this to show up, typically in your sidebars where you would add it, you can select that from here. So for now, we're going to remove that. All right. Next, we have our 30/70 and 70/30. This gives us a 30% column and a 70% column. So if we drop an image in here, grab this picture of Dong Lee, make it an image, drop that down, and embed. So there's a picture of Dong Lee. And then here's where you would put your text, info about student. All right, and reverse that, we've got our 70/30. So basically it's just flipping the content. We'll go ahead and grab another student in here. So this would be the big area. So this is your 70%. And this is going to be your 30% area. So you can put text in both of these. It's just a different option for you. Of course, we would give this a little bit more of a description as an alt text, but just for training purposes, that will work. And embed. Some other columns that we have here are a 3-column and a 4-column. So we'll just give you an example of a 4-column. So you could do a heading and then text. We're just going to copy this and paste it into all 3 sections. So there's 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, 4 column. And again, that sidebar, as I mentioned, that dynamic text area. Perhaps we want to put the contact information of a particular department here. So here, let's just add Division of College Advancement, just for an example. All right, we'll scroll down and save our page. So here is the contact. It pulls all of the information that they have set. So if you ever want that edited, just contact our office. Here's our 30/70, so the 30 and 70%. Here's our 70% and our 30. And looks like we don't have enough text here, but here's our 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. It's very possible that because we have a sidebar with the text area, that it won't all fit on the page. Let's go just take a check and see if that's accurate. So here, why don't we remove this 30/70 and this 70/30, just to see if those images were causing that to bump over. Nope, so it looks like a 4-column will not work with a sidebar content added. So a few things just to keep in mind as you're editing your pages, and we hope that you enjoy these new features.